Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-BTX500 Bluetooth wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it seems to be frozen and not responding, or if it's not syncing or pairing to your devices, we can go ahead and reset the device. The other reason is if you want to set this up on a new phone or in a new system and you just want to have it delete and forget the previous pairings, we can just go ahead and do that by resetting it and it'll give us a fresh start. It's real easy to do. You'll just need a paper clip or something like that, and we're going to come in the back and find the reset button. So we'll find this reset button and we'll stick our paper clip or our pin in here for a second or two. Just make sure it's nothing too sharp that it could damage it. And just press and hold this for a second or two, release it, at which point the device will reset to its initial settings.